What's going on, guys? It's your friend Jack here, and today we're going to be taking a look at a hot niche or an overview at a very big niche that you can get into for the month of May to make some sales on merch by Amazon, Redbubble, TeePublic, Etsy, or any other print-on-demand platform. And I think this list of niches, which is all kind of in one niche, is going to be really helpful to make some sales in May. But with that being said, let's get right into this. Alright, so right away, let's get into this niche, and the niche is actually health awareness events. So in May, and every month of the year, there's a lot of awareness events, and specifically in May, we have quite a lineup of awareness events, which is actually a great niche for making sales in, because this niche is very underserved in most situations, especially for the monthly basis awareness events, and it's a good cause. It's kind of a win-win situation. You can support a good cause as well as, make some sales in your print-on-demand business. And especially on Amazon, these are very underserved niches for the month of May. We're going to take a look at some of the numbers in a second here, but let's just go scroll down and see what else, what other kind of basically awareness events there are in the month of May. So we can start at the top here, and you're going to see we have ALS Awareness Month, and then we have Arthritis Awareness Month, and we go all the way down here, Better Sleep Month. Celiac Awareness Month, Cystic Fibrosis Month, all the way down to Vision Health Month, which is actually a Canadian basically awareness month, and these are all sponsored by organizations. Most of these are nonprofit organizations. However, you can still support the cause by selling different types of designs on different platforms, and they're good causes, which is really nice. So scrolling down here, we also have awareness weeks. So these are not just the month, but just specific weeks inside of the month of May. And there's even National Nurses Week. You could make that into a more evergreen type of design. Mental Health Week, Kidney Health Week, Spinal Health Week. And then over here we also have specific days, World No Tobacco Day, Melanoma Monday, a bunch of different things in May that you could make designs for. And these are very underserved niches that people are going to be searching for, especially on places like Amazon and Etsy. So now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to grab one of these and we're going to put it in Amazon. I did this earlier actually, but we'll close out of those tabs for now, and I'll just show you guys ALS Awareness Month. Alright, this niche, and you guys can see it right here. Pretty popular, or pretty good sales already, and we're not in the month of awareness of ALS yet. And obviously people are going to be supporting ALS awareness all year round, but the month of ALS awareness by the organization, the ALS organization as listed on that site, is officially the month of May. Meaning these are going to sell even more in the month of May, and there are some that are already under 1 million BSR, which is quite impressive. Right here, 425,000 BSR. And it's doing really well, ALS Awareness. And I'm going to scroll down here, and I did see a shirt earlier that was actually posted. Yeah, this one right here. This was posted this year. No relation to the month of May, but ALS Awareness posted this year, has a review, and sold in $19.99. I'm not sure if it sold in $19.99, but it's listed for $19.99, and they have made a sale on it. So that's pretty good, and it's not even the month of May yet. Meaning these shirts are also going to sell if you have, not month-specific dates in them. If you don't have the word May in there, you can rank for the words May or the word, month of ALS awareness, but you don't necessarily have to have those specific words in your design. So you could gear your design to more evergreen, something like this or like this, that doesn't actually have the month in there, and then it could sell all year round. But also targeting it for the specific month is going to narrow down your competition, because there's no shirts here that just say, in the month of May, I wear blue for blah, 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 right? For my dad, for my mom, for whoever. There is, I believe, 1 or 2 shirts that say that, but your competition is way, way, way fewer, and you're going to have even more chances to make sales in the month of May. See, we have here, in the month of May, we wear blue. And there's already sales on this shirt, right? And this was uploaded, look right here. This was uploaded March 31st, 2021. So meaning it was uploaded in the past week, and it was already made a sale, $16.93, and it's not even May yet. So people are getting ahead of the game, are doing even better. And ALS Awareness Month right here, this one has made sales forever ago, but obviously not the best looking design, and your competition for the month is very, very slim. With that being said, let's go take a look at some of the other niches or the other awareness months in the month of May. And real quick, we'll go to Celiac Awareness Month. My dad's actually celiac, so this is a pretty cool cause. And we're going to go here and paste it in. And I'm going to make this full screen. 249 results, not many results, and the color is green. We have one over here, May is National Celiac Awareness Month. Peace, Love, Cure, Celiac Disease Awareness. 400,000 BSR already, posted a year ago, but 400,000 BSR, really good stuff. Scrolling down here, we do have a few listings with some reviews that haven't been selling lately. Not as impressive as the other niche, but we do have one right here. You know, it is May is Melanoma Awareness, which is also a listing or a listed month of awareness in our list, and 500,000 BSR. So they are ahead of the game. People are buying these shirts in advance, and in the month of May, things are also going to pick up a little bit more even. At that point, I would say we're closer to the end of April, as we're still in the start of April. But there's not actually that much Celiac Awareness Month or celiac disease, shirts here, even though the results said it was pretty high. A lot of these aren't directly related to the keywords. I'm not sure why that is. And this isn't as, profitable as a niche probably as the ALS one, but still making sales and lower competition and lots of different niche ideas in that list I gave and I'll link it down below. I'll link the list down below, but this list goes on for quite a while. You can use the other months in this, other months in the year to do this with too. Just go to awareness events and then you can click on the different year, and it's going to go all the way up to March 2022. So yeah, you can go to June, take a look at that. Not as many, but ALS Awareness Month in Canada for June. So if you're selling on the Canadian marketplace, which I don't think you can do on merch by Amazon, but if you're selling to Canada consumers, then you can also make the niche, apply that niche ALS Awareness Month. Don't just make it May, make it just month, and then you can apply it to not just the US, but also Canada and other places. Not as many in the month of June, but still lots of different things to think about. And awareness niche is a huge niche that I want to share with you guys that I came across pretty recently. I have made some sales in it actually, and I just wanted to share you guys this niche because I think it's very unique and a really good idea to make other people happy by making designs that actually aren't out there yet. There are a lot of empty voids. People are not being, not all the different types of designs are met like they would be in a very trendy design. But yeah, good nonetheless niche, and I just want to share with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Later today, we'll have a shop reviews coming out, so stay tuned for that. And with all that being said, it's been your friend Jack. Stay blessed, keep striving, have a great frickin' day.